The high-efficiency HVAC systems installed on every executive home supply clean, conditioned air throughout the house. To avoid significant temperature differentials, ensure that doors near the return air vent are left open as much as possible. Leaving the doors open and turning on the ceiling fans will encourage proper airflow and help to regulate temperatures. To supply clean air to the entire home, the system is equipped with an air filter. We recommend you check the filter every 6 months and replace the filter every 8 to 12 months. To replace the filter, start by removing the cover. Then, slide the filter out. Ensure that the arrow is pointed in the proper direction. Then, slide the filter in and replace the cover. For more information on your HVAC system, consult your homeowner's manual or visit executivehomes.com.